Brigadier Jerry, Lifestyle and Net Worth. Brigadier Jerry, born Robert Russell on September 28, 1957, in Kingston, Jamaica, is a legendary figure in dancehall reggae, renowned for his culturally rich lyrics and improvisational prowess. Known as Briggy, or the General, his lifestyle reflects a blend of musical passion, Rastafarian spirituality, and a commitment to his roots, while his net worth, though not publicly detailed, is shaped by his decades-long career in music and live performances. Growing up in the vibrant Papine area of Kingston, Jerry's early life was steeped in music and community. His initial foray into entertainment was as a stand-up comedian, but he soon found his calling as a DJ, influenced by Royce King's Sturgav hi-fi sound system. By 1978, Jerry joined the Rastafarian organization 12 Tribes of Israel, which profoundly shaped his lifestyle and lyrical content. His performances on the Jah Love Muzik sound system emphasized spiritual and cultural themes, promoting unity and peace, which became a hallmark of his career. This Rastafarian influence is evident in his modest, community-oriented lifestyle, often prioritizing message over materialism. Jerry's career took off in the early 1980s with hits like Papine and Gwan recorded for Studio One and Juanza labels. His albums, including Live at the Controls, 1983, and Jamaica, 1985, showcased his ability to captivate audiences with fluid, improvisational DJing. Unlike many artists who focus on studio recordings, Jerry's primary income source has been live performances, touring extensively across Jamaica and internationally. His collaboration with Roy and mentorship of artists like Sister Nancy further cemented his influence. From 1988 to 1991, he lived in New York with his family, including his son Jermaine, before returning to Jamaica to continue performing. Now based in the United States, Jerry maintains a low-key lifestyle, focusing on music and family. Estimating Brigadier Jerry's net worth is challenging due to limited public financial data. As a reggae DJ, his earnings likely stem from live shows, royalties from albums, and occasional singles like Original Culture DJ, 2022. Unlike mainstream artists, reggae performers often earn modestly, with net worths typically ranging from $100,000 to $1 million for veterans like Jerry. His involvement in sound systems and mentoring suggests additional income, but a 2019 arrest in Connecticut for charges related to a shooting incident may have impacted his finances due to legal costs and a $250,000 bond. Despite this, his enduring popularity and performances indicate financial stability. Jerry's lifestyle remains grounded, reflecting his Rastafarian values of simplicity and community. He avoids the flashy excesses of some modern artists, focusing instead on spreading positive messages through music. His legacy as a pioneer of dancehall, with a career spanning over 4 decades, underscores a life dedicated to cultural expression rather than wealth accumulation. While his exact net worth remains speculative, Brigadier Jerry's impact on reggae and his humble lifestyle make him a revered figure in music history. Sources: